Guys. So hey guys, I know it's been a real hot minute since I last did a giant ass unboxing. Truth be told, I got a package like a few weeks back. It's a purchase that I made like maybe a couple of years ago. It's like a limited edition box and I want to show you guys what I got. So, ta-da! It's right here. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. Oh. Do you see that, guys? What's that? What does that stand for? So if you can't already tell, this is a Persona 3 portable limited edition box from Limited Run. This is what the box looks like. Holy crud. Look at that. It's supposed to mimic like a metal briefcase that you can normally see when you're running around Tartarus in Persona 3. So that's pretty cool. I really like that. So yeah, let's see what's inside. Oh shit. Okay, I'm happy that there's foam. I'm speechless. Guys. Holy crap. That is a collector's item right there. It's not real, okay? You can't remove it from the shadow box. I think it lights up. There's like a little switch on the side that you can see. You can put in a battery or you can like charge it or plug it into a socket so that it'll light up. You do know that they use these guns to evoke their personas in battle. So they're called evokers. And this is the artwork of the main character. That looks really good. I can't, like, words can't describe what I'm feeling right now. I can't believe I have this in my collection. Holy crap. Not meant for cosplay, you can't take it out of the box, okay? Just so you know. Anyway, moving on. What else is in here? Oh, cool. What? So it's a little frame that features the female version of the main protagonist, which is only playable in Persona 3 Portable. So this is basically just a frame of the characters when they're doing the all-out attack. If you're familiar with that, it's when all of them kind of just like come in together and do like a combination attack. What else do we have in here? What is this? Oh, this is like what they call the Grimoire edition. So it's basically like a book version of the game. It's like packaged like a book. So here you go. Has the really classic artwork, right? So you have the main character, then you have the female main character. So if you want to romance Akihiko Senpai, you can definitely use this girl. Oh yeah, so I am right. This is the Grimoire packaging. So how do you open this thing? Oh, so it's a copy of the game. Look, there's like the tarot card logo right there. I did get the PlayStation 4 copy of the game. So you have the main characters here, the male and female version. There's the back of the game. And, oh my gosh, they even included a manual. This is like, remember when we used to buy games and they came with like an actual physical manual pamphlet thing? Oh my god, I'm dying! I love it! Also, this is the female version of Orpheus from Persona 3 Portable, and then in the back you have Orpheus himself. This is like your base persona in the game, so I'm sorry, okay. Okay, and then this is the CD, basically the same artwork as the cover art of the CD case. That is not all that is inside this Grimoire book thing. This is what the steelbook case looks like. Oh wow, I don't think I've seen this artwork before. It's probably from an art book or something. It's basically the male main character with Thanatos. What else is in here? I think you get a soundtrack, official soundtrack. Okay, so this is what the Persona 3 Portable original soundtrack case looks like from the outside. There are 2 CDs in here. So this one, you have the main character. Oh, you also have the main female character. Oh my god, I love it. We do have like a track list. So there's like, whoa, that's a lot. So disc 1 has 37 tracks. But disc 2 has 28 tracks. So we do have a couple more pieces. You do get a certificate of authenticity. I feel kind of special that I have it. Well, you know, they always have these armbands. So this is what it looks like. Oh, that's so cool. It's actually quite different from the Persona 3 Reload version. This one is literally just an armband. Living my C's dreams, huh? I'm gonna pair this with my shoes. They also have a patch. Is this a patch? So this is the Gecko Kanhai logo, which you can find in, I don't know, in their uniform. I don't remember. But yeah, did I get everything? I think the last part of this S.E.E.S edition box is a bunch of tarot cards. So basically all of the characters you can recruit into your party. Nothing special about the back. It's just the basic tarot card backdrop that you see in the game. Anyway, I think that's all that there is in the limited run Persona 3 Portable S.E.E.S edition box. I'll see if I can show you guys if I can get the Evoker Shadow box to light up. I'm pretty excited about that. Let's see how it looks. So there's light from up above. And then the Evoker is like, there's like light in the Evoker too. Oh, that's so cool. And that's it. Thanks so much for sticking around. I'll see ya. Bye!